Morning everyone. I'm going to try and do a short video which explains the full process behind making a bespoke commission for someone. So that's from literally picking out the log with the forklift, right through the whole process to fitting it on the tree, which is going to be in a few weeks' time. So let's see what happens, see if you can guess what it's going to be, and wish me luck. Cheers. So this is my best mate Freddie. He's a forklift truck which will lift 2.5 tons. Now, as you can see, this is a lovely log ready to be lifted up. It's a piece of oak bought from my tree surgeon Richard. It's going to lend itself beautifully for this commission. The shape that I need is already built into the wood, and that's why I've selected this particular piece. So I know you don't know what it is I'm going to make, but I can tell you now, this is the perfect log for this job. So there's some of my dimensions that I'm working to, and this is the piece of oak. So I'm going for a 1-for-1 scale at the moment, and obviously I've left this quite thick and chunky to trim it down, so that's the next stage.